Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Welcome back on the show, God's Word for Today. This program is brought to you this and every Sunday. You can watch us live on our Facebook page, GH Ashtown TV, and you can watch us on our YouTube and all the handles on social media, Ashtown TV. Watch us and share to others, and your life will never be the same. Let's go to God in prayer. Heavenly Father, we thank you for your grace, for your mercies. We thank you for how far you have brought us to. We thank you in the name of Jesus Christ. Somebody say amen. Beloved, I came to you this time to encourage you not to give up. No matter what has happened in life, I want you to get the understanding that this is just the half time of it. So I entitled the message, The Second Half. The second half. To every game, there is the first half and there is the second half. To every year, there is the first half, which is the first 6 months, and there is the second half. In life, there are times and seasons. There is a time for weeping, time for testing, time for trials, time for triumphant, time for testimonies. There is the morning and the evening of life. There is the first half and there is the second half. Be encouraged. What happens in the first half should not discourage you, or don't be dismayed or be afraid because of what happened at the first half. For there is a God who is able to bring all things to restitution and to restoration. I came to you with a sure word. We thank God for how far He has brought us to, from January to now June. That's the first half of the month. By the grace of God, we are where we are, not on our own might. Even though from January to June, many people went through some storms and it was so hard for them. But for the fact that they are alive, we can give praise to God. It might be that many things don't went on well for you according to your dreams and your purpose, but don't give up. We have entered into a new chapter, that is the month of July. From July to December is the second half, which I am talking about. God is about to do something great in our lives. Weeping may endure for the night, but trust God. Joy comes in the morning. From January to June, it might be weeping, but that is not the end of the game. It is just a half time. Now we have started a new chapter, which is the second half, and the second half is bringing joy onto your life. Your beginning may be small, that is the first half of it. Your business may be small from the beginning. You may be born into a poor family, that is the beginning. You might be schooling from a very village or very low background. But we serve a God who can take you from nowhere to a place of victory and a place of bigger testimonies. He lifts one up and brings one down. We are speaking of the God of the second half. No matter what has happened in the first half, I am telling you a sure word of God that from this July to this December is your month and it's your time, and you are going to win. 6 o'clock, they are twice in every day. If the first 6 o'clock did not came with joy and happiness to you, don't be angry with those that are rejoicing. Don't be angry with those that are blessed. No, there is another 6 o'clock coming, and it is coming for your victory. It is coming for your breakthrough. It is bringing your marriage. It is bringing that passport or that visa that you are looking for. It is bringing that breakthrough in ministry that you are looking after. It is bringing those children that you've been praying to God concerning. The first 6 was a different hour, and the evening 6 brings another 10. Let's keep trusting God and let's keep our faith that if today is not our 10, tomorrow might be our 10. What I want you to put in mind is that if someone is blessed today, if someone is rejoicing even over you today, keep in mind that they are rejoicing over the results of the first half. The match is not ended yet. The referee will whistle for another 10, which is the second half. And in the second half, God is about to turn the scoreline. You might be down 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, even in the first half. But don't be discouraged. Don't be down. Stand to your feet and still believe in God that in the second half, God is able to turn the scoreline for your good. Everything is not too late, but it's to an appointed time. God is not here to fail you, and He did not call you to fail you, but to give you glory and testimony. Time and seasons happens to us all. There are times and there are seasons. There are time for blessing, there are time for tough, there are time for testing, and there are time for everything. I pray that may your time come to you, and may it come when you are ever prepared, so that divine time will meet you at your time, and you have that kairos moment, and your life will never be the same. I'm your pastor and your brother, Richmond. Keep watching and keep sharing, and bless others, and your life will never be the same. Until I come to your on the next time, be blessed in the name of Jesus. Bye bye.